What's up, guys? Hope you guys are doing well today. I'm doing just fine. Now, today is a little bit of a late upload. I'll explain why, but regardless, it's before even lunchtime, so it's all good. Today we are Thursday, February 12th. Today I only made $500 profit, but on each account. I'm saying only, but it's actually a lot. Anyway, I'll explain everything. So now I can request another payout for, give you guys a second. I can request another payout for around 500 on this account, Tradeify, and 5 take profit, another $500, right? Minus the fees, minus everything, that's probably another 3.3k CAD in payout, right? Now let me show you guys. And before I show you guys, now my Tradeify 2, the buffer is met, because the buffer is not only 2000, it's 2100, right? So now let's say tomorrow I win, it's actually gonna be 11.6k in payout CAD straight in the bank account, because every single account is above the buffer, right? Anyway, so that's very nice way. I was gonna say to end the week, but we still have tomorrow. Anyway, here's my payout approved on Tradeify. So it's 612 USD. So convert that into CAD, that's around 800 to 900. Take profit, I have 3k in progress. I had to fill a tax form, so once they approve it, bang, that's 3k USD. Convert that, that's around 4 to 5k CAD. So that's beautiful, right? So yeah, today we made 5k. We made 5k today. Let me just go turn that off. Log out, log back in. Okay, let's get into the recap. As soon as they approve, even though I showed you guys proof, like always, I'll show you guys probably in the next video when they approve it, the email with the payout, right? And today, actually I'm actually kind of interested here. I'm gonna show you guys. Today I missed the optimal trade. Let's be honest, I missed the optimal trade. So I waited until micro finish. I didn't see anything else. So I went about my day, took a shower, did what I have to do. Come back on the chart. It was around 11:17, I think. And I was like, all right, even though I missed the optimal trade, I'm willing to take a trade for only risking 250. Risking 250 is barely nothing, right, for my drawdown. Best case scenario, I win 500, like I did today. All the accounts are above the buffer and everything is perfect. And I can request another payout. Worst case scenario, I'm down to 50. No big deal, right? Doesn't really matter, but that was the trade that I took today. Where's my mouse? So yeah, around 10:17. Very easy. I'll show you guys on the actual chart in a minute. But basically, we're in a downtrend. It's looking bearish. We had this first gap, but I wasn't on my laptop, so I didn't take it. We kept dropping. We have a sell side way below, or a draw, whatever you guys want to call it. We had this fair value gap. I nearly actually got stopped out, but my stop loss was kind of good, right? Ideally it's right there, but it worked out. Anyway, 1, 2, 3, I think 4 to 5 minutes later, full TP, right? Now I just wanted to check something. 500 multiplied by 5 minus 20%. So that's gonna be the payout for today. 2k plus $500 for Tradeify on one account. So that's crazy. So minus 10% plus 450. 500 minus 10%, 450. Pretty sure. So yeah, around, for only 6 accounts getting copy traded and only risking 250, that's gonna be another 3k payout. That's actually crazy how much money out of thin air, 3k like that. Okay, so yeah, pretty nice. Dang, we're actually dropping. We're hella dropping. I'm just gonna check crypto real quick, guys. Give me a second. Everyone's getting cooked. What is this? Alright, whatever. Here, I'll just make it real quick. I'll show you guys the optimal trade. My trade was just discretion, right? A discretion trade. I saw that we're in downtrend. Like, this is so free, right? Look, we're just going down, down, down. Got into a fair value gap, a bearish fair value gap, and just hit TP, right? I didn't want to risk 500 because it wasn't my actual time to trade. It wasn't even permissible for me to trade, right? For my strategy. Anyway. Market open. 9:30 we sweep London lows, then we go all the way back up. I'm still waiting for macro to open. Macro open, we open under London lows, right? Perfect. So technically, if I see strong displacement to the downside, the next draw is going to be Asia low, and then the next draw previous day low, right? But doesn't matter. Optimal trade was right there. We had this 1 minute fair value gap. We displaced with speed and efficiency to the downside. 9:46, we create this 1 minute fair value gap. Bang, just like that. 100 for 200 ticks. Keep it simple, right? Now, why did I do this? Well, it's aligned with context. It does make sense. Perfect, right? 1, 2, 3. 3 to 4 minutes later, full TP, right? I actually missed it. I was setting up my stop loss and everything. Price came into it. I was like, no way, just give me a second, right? Ended up going down. I was like, bruh. 110%. I could have done something like this. But that's not how I trade. I actually, as soon as price taps into the gap, I'm in, right? Honestly, I just didn't have time to enter. Simple as that. Okay, Mars, but we have fair value gaps here. Why not, right? Well, like I said, we displaced with speed and efficiency below this zone. So I already know that we're going to start dropping, right? Plus, why not my stop loss here, right? Well, first of all, that's way too much. Second of all, if we just start disrespecting here, disrespecting this zone, then we're going to go higher, regardless of where my stop loss is. So right there was perfect. Afterward, like I said, I missed this trade. I was waiting till macro finish right there. We're just chopping. I'm like, all right, let me just go do what I have to do. Came back later at 11 something and took the trade. Simple as that. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for the new subscribers too. I saw that we have some new people. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow we win. That's gonna be a huge payout. So yeah, see you guys.